Good morning, students. So we have started off with chapter number 6, articles in grammar book. So today quickly I'm going to revise articles and we'll do further exercises, right? So children, I told you what are articles. There are 3 articles in English, a and the, right? So a is used before a singular noun. Singular means one noun. Okay, that begins with a consonant sound. Children, if we'll remove vowels, whatever letters are left, those are consonants. So consonant sound, before a consonant sound we use a, right? And is used before a singular noun. Singular means one noun again. Begins with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels. Sound ho ya letters ho. Right? We have to use an. The is used before a specific nouns, like proper nouns, or ones we have already talked about, right? So I'm going to start with the exercises in your book, grammar book. Page number 34 we are going to start. Here fill in the blanks. We have to fill in a and the, right? First one, an apple. Why an? Because a is a vowel. A day. One day we are talking about, so a day, and D is a consonant. Keeps the doctor away, because we are talking about doctor, right? So the doctor away. Then up above the world so high, because world is one. Proper noun, specific noun, so the world so high. Like a diamond. A diamond. Why a? Because D is a consonant. A diamond in the sky, because the is specific. One sky, the sky. She is an, she's as wise as an owl. Why an owl? Because O is a vowel, so an owl, right? He is as brave as a lion. Lion is one and L is a consonant, so L se pehle a. Neil Armstrong was the. Why the first man? Because we are talking about that specific person, Neil. The first man to walk on the moon, because moon bhi one hai, so the moon. It is not safe to go for a walk in the forest. A walk, right? And the forest, because forest के अंदर नहीं जाना है, right? Walk करने, forest में नहीं जाना है, हमें भी walk करने. I'm reading an amazing story. Why an? Because A is a vowel. About a treasure hunt. A treasure hunt क्यों? Treasure hunt is one. Treasure hunt क्या होता है? एक गेम होता है जिसमें हमें कोई चीज़ ढूंढनी होती है. We have to find that thing, right? Okay. Maya is taking music lessons. She can play the piano. Why the piano? Because in the music class, in the music, she's learning how to play the piano. Would you like a piece of cake? Why a piece of cake? Because P is a consonant. Yesterday we had dinner at a new Chinese restaurant. Why a? Because one restaurant, okay. And N is a consonant. The food they served was very good. The food, because we are talking about that restaurant's food only. So the food, right? Now page number 35, we are going to do this exercise, right children? Okay. There was a waiter standing near the next table. There was a waiter. Why a waiter? Because W is a consonant. Near the next table. Why the here? Because we are talking about that specific table. The next table. नेक्स्ट टेबल की ही बात करें हम, स्पेसिफिक टेबल की. देयर वॉज अ क्वेश्चन आई वॉन्टेड टू आस्क द मैथ्स टीचर. अ क्वेश्चन मतलब वन क्वेश्चन था. क्यू इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट एंड द मैथ्स टीचर, क्योंकि हमें उन्हीं मैथ्स टीचर से ही पूछना है, स्पेसिफिक टीचर. डू यू हैव एन ओल्ड कार और अ न्यू वन? राइट. Why an? O is a vowel. Why a new? Because N is a consonant. Okay. The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Why the Bible? Because Bible is a proper noun. It's a specific noun, right? It's one only. I had a nice dream. Why a? Because one dream only. I saw my friend give chocolates in the dream. Because I'm talking about that dream only जो मैंने one dream देखी थी, उसमें मेरे friends ने मुझे दिए chocolates. So the dream, हम उसी dream की बात कर रहे हैं, right? Okay, so page number 35 only. The moon is very bright tonight. The moon, because moon one है specific. I ate an apple every morning for breakfast. An apple, why an apple? Because A is a vowel. Okay, the river Narmada finally joins the Arabian Sea. The river Narmada. Why the river Narmada? Because Narmada is one river only. Proper noun है वो. Joins the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea भी एक specific noun है. Ocean होता है Arabian Sea, right? ठीक है? My neighbor is a policeman. My neighbor is a policeman. Why a here? Because P is a consonant और policeman one है, right? The Vindhyas is a range of mountains in Gujarat. The Vindhyas ये एक name है, proper noun, specific. So the. Page number 37. Come to page number 37, children. Here you can see so many fishes, colorful fishes are there and words are written here. And you can see here 3 boxes are there. And in these three water tanks we have to write the words, right? So a से क्या क्या हो सकता है हमें इधर से सर्च करके लिखना है. A cycle, क्योंकि आप बेटा देखो स्पेसिफिकली अगर हम इन सारे वर्ड्स को फर्स्ट लेटर देखेंगे तो सारे कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं. सी कॉन्सोनेंट है, लायन का एल कॉन्सोनेंट है, ट्री का टी कॉन्सोनेंट है, सी बी 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 एन ये सारे कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं. और मैम ने आपको क्या बताया था, अ से अ किसके पहले यूज होता है जब कॉन्सोनेंट हो, ठीक है. एन, अब यहाँ पे हम सबके आगे एन क्यों लगा सकते हैं मैम, वापस रिपीट कर रही हैं. ये सारे वॉवल्स हैं. ए एनिमल का ए, ऑरेंज का ओ, एलिफेंट का ई, अनियन का ओ, आउल का ओ, एग का ई, एंट का ए, ऑक्स का ओ, ये सारे क्या हैं वॉवल. सो वॉवल से पहले क्या यूज होता है एन. नेक्स्ट वाई और द, बिकॉज ये स्पेसिफिक है, इनमें से प्रॉपर नाउन्स हैं ये. गोदावरी रिवर, बाइबल बुक, बाइबल एक बुक है. सन वन है, सन हम देखते हैं स्काई में वन ही होता है. मून भी हम रात को देखते हैं, एट नाइट वी सी दिस वन ओनली, एंड स्काई इज ऑल्सो वन. सो ये एक स्पेसिफिक है, राइट. नेक्स्ट, नाउ फन कॉर्नर. हियर what you have to do is you have to draw a picture, paste a picture of all that you would see in a forest. ओके आपको एक सिंगल पिक्चर, आप अगर आपको पिक्चर स्टिक नहीं करनी है आप यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे पिक्चर, ठीक है. आप माउंटेन्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. कैन यू सी हियर माउंटेन्स आर देयर, देन आई हैव ड्रॉन अ बर्ड, देन आई हैव ड्रॉन अ सन. यू कैन सी हियर ट्रीज, 2 people are there, river, fishes are there. So this is a kind of forest, right? Trees हैं यहाँ पर, mountains हैं. So you can draw such picture. ठीक है, लेकिन आप कलर नहीं करना बेटा. With colors it becomes untidy in your book. So you have to draw with a pencil only. ठीक है, and we have to mention अ से क्या क्या है, एन से क्या है, द से क्या है. So let's mention a fish, a boat, a tree, a nest, a fruit, a flower. An owl, an ant, an egg, an animal, an orange, an elephant. The sun, the sky, the Ganga, the earth, the moon, the Himalayas. So these things I have used in the picture, I have drawn in the picture. You can also draw such similar picture in your book. It's a fun corner, it's a fun task. Enjoy doing it, right children? So this was for today. This was for articles. Thank you children. Stay safe and stay hydrated. Drink lots and lots of water. It's very hot outside, right children? Thank you.